Hi and welcome. I want to start off by saying that the simplest things mean the most. Thank you for the 500 plus of you who have decided to follow what I do on this channel. The purpose of my channel is to not only create from scratch, but to also help motivate you to be resourceful in your small business. Thank you for taking the time to watch, comment, like, subscribe, ask questions, and make requests. You are all appreciated. In this video, I will be showing you how to easily add a window to a box in Cricut Design Space. It's just a matter of using shapes, text, or a combination of the two to get the desired look you want. I will be using one of the boxes I created in one of my previous videos, the box with the lid. I will link that video here if you want to make that box before continuing on with the steps in this video. If you're ready, let's start. Okay, I have Design Space open and I have the box on the canvas. This is the box from a previous video, the box with the lid. I'm only using the bottom portion of the box for this tutorial. Now, starting with the right side of the box, this section here, I'm going to add vertical text. So slightly move this out of the way and I'm going to add my text. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down so you can see. Now, as you can see, the text is not centered. And the letters are close together. So what I'm going to do is select the text. I am using the Cricut Sans font, the writing style, and I'm going to change the size of the text to 16. And I'm also going to add space between the lines because the letters are close together. Go up to where it says line space and I'm going to add space. Also, the letters are not centered vertically, so I'm going to center those. So I'm going up to alignment and clicking on center. And I'm just going to change the color as well. Now I'm going to move this down and I'm going to place this back on the X and Y axis at 0. And I'm going to place my text on the X at 18 and the Y at 0.399. What that looks like. Next, I'm going to add a diamond shape in the next section over, which is this section here. So I'm going over to shapes and select a diamond. And I'm going to make the size of the diamond, the width 1.85. I'm going to place the diamond on the X at 13.6 and the Y at 1.175. And I'm also going to change the color of it to white. Now for this middle section here, I'm going to select a heart or place a heart in this section. So I'm going over to shapes to select a heart. And I'm going to make the width 2.9. And I'm going to change the color to white. And I'm going to place it on the X at 8.56 and the Y at 1.652. Now in the next section, which is the second section here, I'm going to be adding 3 squares. So I'm going to select a square. And I'm going to make the size 0.17 by 3.875. And I'm going to change the color to white. And duplicate this 2 more times. Now what I'm going to do is move those 3 down here, and then I'm going to align them. So I'm going to select them all, then I'm going up to align, and I'm going to distribute horizontally, and then distribute vertically, and then I'm going to center vertically. And I'm going to select group. Now what I want to do is rotate this 350. And I'm going to place it on the second section here. For this last section, I'm going to be placing a letter here. I will be using the font Cricut Sans, the style regular, and the font size 170. So I'm going over to text, and I'm going to type in a capital letter S. I'm using the Cricut Sans. This time I'm going to change this to regular, and the font size is going to be 170. And I'm going to change it to white. And I'm going to place it on the X at 1.226 and the Y at 1.507. Now at this point, you can adjust the shapes and the text to your desired positions. I'm going to select all the shapes and text that I placed onto the box. I'm going over to the layers panel to select all the shapes that I added as well as the text. And I'm just going to make sure that they are aligned vertically. And once everything is aligned, select all and then click on attach. Now, knowing that the size of this box exceeds the size for printing seamlessly, the pen will be used for writing out the text. I'm going to select Make It, and I will return to show you the results. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed what I've shared, like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment if there's a topic you'd like to see. Remember, appreciate your progress, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.